my biggest struggle has been trying to balance being able to make enough money with the wear on my body that osteopathy requires, and how to start expanding my income without increasing that workload. I've been coasting close to burnout for a couple of years now. I was in a place of, I don't know what to do anymore. A specific aha moment through the Freedom program would have been the recognition that I was pushing in the direction that didn't play to my inherent skill set, pushing in a direction that was trying to build on my weakness. It's given me the push to do something that I had thought about before, and I pushed it to the side, thinking I'm not good enough for that. The insights that you gain, that's worth what I paid. That's going to bring dividends. I felt really quite lost. Now I see what I need to be. It took a little while to clear some of the detritus that I was swimming around in. And then it was clear. And suddenly there was this clarity and this real sense of, authenticity. I suddenly thought, oh, that's where I sit. That's when I'm happiest. And not trying to be something else, but just sitting in what I do well. That was worth the investment. Yeah.